If your engine is shaking like a leaf and has lost all its punch out of nowhere, you are likely staring at a P0270 code on your scanner. This specific code points its finger directly at the number 4 fuel injector, and it usually means there's a low voltage issue in the circuit. When this injector fails to spray the right amount of fuel at the right time, your engine starts running lean, which is just a fancy way of saying there is too much air and not enough gas in the mix. This starts a nasty ripple effect. Your oxygen sensor sees the lean mix, panics, and tells the PCM to dump more fuel into all the other cylinders to compensate. Suddenly, your gas mileage is tanking, and the engine is running rougher than a tractor. Even worse, that lean cylinder runs much hotter than the others, which can lead to knocking or detonation, damages your engine internal. To fix this, start with the simplest thing first, which is the electrical connector. In my 45 years of turning wrenches, I have found that loose or crusty connectors cause this most of the time. Pull that plastic clip, check for green corrosion or pushed out pins, and maybe apply some dielectric grease to keep the moisture out. If the connection is solid, grab a long screwdriver, put the tip against the injector, and hold the handle to your ear while the engine runs. You should hear a clear, rapid clicking sound. If it is silent, it is either dead or not getting power. Use a voltmeter to check for power coming from the fuel pump relay. If there is power but no clicking, the injector has failed internally. If it is clicking but still causing issues, it might just be clogged or dirty. A direct flushing kit can often save you from buying an expensive new part. Just pull the fuel pump fuse, run the engine on the cleaner until it dies, and see if that clears the blockage. It's a cheap fix that can prevent a total engine meltdown.